Hi everyone! This video will go over the key terms for Chapter 25, which is about the basics of credit. In Section 1, we will be looking at credit essentials. Okay, so credit is an agreement to get money, goods, or services now in exchange for a promise to pay in the future. A creditor is a person or organization that lends money or provides credit. A debtor is a person who borrows money or uses credit. Interest is a fee that is charged for the use of money. Consumer credit is credit that is used by people for personal reasons. Commercial credit is credit that is used by businesses. And a credit rating is a measure of a person's ability and willingness to pay debts on time. All right. Now we're going to be moving on to Section 2, which is about the types of credit. All right, so a charge account is credit that is provided by a store or company for customers to buy its products. Installment loans are loans that are repaid in regular payments over a period of time. And collateral is property or goods that are pledged by a borrower to use as security against a loan if the loan is not repaid. Okay, so those are the key terms for Chapter 25. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.